Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn letter I and J and their sound. Let's start. This is I. I says I. Say I. Igloo. Igloo. Insect. Insect. Iguana. Iguana. Ink. Ink. This is J. J says J. Say J. Jelly. Jelly. Jacket. Jacket. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jam. Jam. Do you have this worksheet with you? You are going to cut around this dotted line and keep all the pieces next to you. Are you done with your cutting? Okay, let's move. When we say igloo, what first sound we make? Igloo. Igloo goes under I. Do you have picture of igloo with you? Put that under I. When we say jelly, what first sound we make? Jelly. Jelly goes under J. Put picture of jelly under J. Insect. 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 Jacket. Jacket. J. Iguana. Iguana. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. J. Ink. Ink. Jam. Jam. J. Are you done sorting all the pictures of I and J? Let's move on to next one. Here we are going to play I Spy game. I spy with my little eye something start with A. Let's find something start with A. Oh, I found one here. Invitation card. Let's circle invitation card. Now we are done with A. We're gonna circle this too. I spy with my little eye something start with J. J. Oh, jet. Jet. Now we are done with this J. We can circle that too. Now you are going to find rest of the picture. Start with A and J and circle them. When you are done, you can move on to next one. What is this picture? Igloo. Igloo. Let's find I. So here I found one. I'm going to circle that. Now you are going to find rest of the pictures first sound and circle them. Here we are going to learn how to write A and J. I and J. Let's start. Can you trace I on your worksheet? I'm going to trace one more time. You also can start works. Trace one more time. Listen here. Can you trace on J? Can you trace on yours? Going to trace it one more time. Are you done tracing all the letters on your worksheet? Good. Did a good job today. We are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.